So that's what we're going to start with. So the pocket piece is one single piece, and you will fold it right sides together, matching the edges, and at the top edge you will mark about a 3-inch opening. As you can see, I did not sew all around. I didn't sew the bottom of the pocket. I just sew along the small piece here at the top and down the side on both sides with our 3-inch opening. I clipped it points, and now I'm going to turn the So now we're going to fold in the opening at 1/4 inch and pin or clip. And we're going to sew across the top here at 1/4 inch to close the opening. So this is our completed pocket. We're going to place this on the lining.